You want to practice the letter R? Repeat after me. Lire, relire, élire, délire. Lire, relire, élire, délire. How to say pastry? It's spelled like pâtisserie, pâtisserie. But in French, we skip the letter E and it goes like pâtisserie, pâtisserie, pâtisserie. Here is a tough word, clarity. In French, it sounds like clarté, not clarté, 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 clarté. When you are using the negative form, for example, je ne me souviens pas. In French, most people skip the ne, the negative locution, and it goes like je me souviens pas, je me souviens pas, je me souviens pas. Here are some of the nasal sounds in French. It goes like un, on. Un, on. I know it sounds ridiculous, but repeat after me and you'll get it much faster than you think. If you're just starting and you're reading a story, you know, they all start with once upon a time. Now, the French equivalent is il était une fois. Il était une fois. Il était une fois. How do you say small? Now, repeat after me. Petit. Okay? It sounds like t, petit, 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 petit. How to say I'm brushing my teeth? Je me brosse les dents. 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 How to say it's hot? C'est chaud. Very hot. Très chaud. Extremely hot. Extrêmement chaud. Super hot. Super chaud. How to say I'm drinking green tea? Je bois du thé vert. Je bois du thé vert. Je bois du thé vert.